you going? Do you want to take the stress out of managing your rental property? Or are you feeling bogged down with its tedious day-to-day rental management? If so, let's say goodbye to the hustle and say hello to Airaway TM, Airbnb short stay rental property management. At Airaway, we understand that managing your short stay rental property sometimes is really overwhelming and time consuming. That's why we are here to help property owners manage all aspects of short stay rental, so the homeowner or you can spend more time focusing on other aspects of life, other things that you're interested in, doing more important things in life, while still having your property managed by us. We also understand that your property is one of your biggest assets. So we are here to help you maximize its potential income. Airaway TM offers comprehensive Airbnb short stay rental management services, including cleaning and laundry services, maintaining and renovating your property, managing your listings on all booking channels, managing your guests, interacting with your guests, dynamically pricing your property so you maximize its revenue, staging and styling, as well as professional photo shoot your property so it will look more attractive on all booking channels so you can maximize your return. We provide ongoing support for property owners as well as your valued guests. Choosing Airaway, which means that you are choosing a professional team that will treat your property like our own. Why don't we get started today by scheduling your free consultation with our professional team, where you will get free advice, professional hints and tips on how to run your short stay more smoothly and safely. Let's contact us now on 1300-199-994 or visit our website at airawayshortstay.com. Thank you, and I will see you soon.